Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. As usual, I thank you so much for doing that. For those ones who are tuning in for the first time, my name is Peter. I'm the owner of Sun Channel, whereby I bring you mostly immigration news. Right now, it's almost a critical moment whereby we are nearing the DV lottery 2027. The 2026 is done, and I did bring you a lot of information from last year all the way to May this year when they got the results. For those ones who won, I congratulate you, and for those ones who didn't win, I still encourage you to apply. And now is the time you need to get information to your tips. Now, if you are new to this channel, first of all, before I start, please consider to subscribe, because I usually bring very, very vital information about immigration, helping people who would like to get information to pursue whatever plans they have for immigration. So subscribe now, take a minute also, hit the subscribe button before you start, and also you do the notification. Every time we do a video, YouTube will notify you. And also make sure you like our videos. When you like our videos, YouTube will recommend our videos to many people, which signals that the information I bring to you is very vital. Thank you for the like, and thank you for the subscribe. So today, I've been doing these videos, and there's a video I did yesterday. I posted it about the DV lottery 2027. And I've been having a lot of questions, people asking me about the passport. They are asking me, like, is a passport required to apply the DV 2027? And which is why I'm doing this video. So I encourage you to watch the video from the start to the end, because it has very important information you need if you are planning, or if somebody you know is planning to go and apply for the DV 2027. Now, the DV 2027, for right now, as I'm speaking, we actually do not need to have a passport. So the passport is not required for the application for the DV 2027 lottery. But the U.S. Department of State has proposed a rule which will require a valid passport information, like a passport number. It will also require applicants to scan the biological and signature pages of their passports. So the future program, which is coming next month in October, if this proposal is approved, and then it will become a law for everybody who is applying for this program to have a passport. And I would like you to understand where it will become a law if only it is finalized and it's approved by the U.S. Department of State. Then for sure you will need a valid passport at the time of the application. No expired passport will be allowed. Now, what you need to know about the application itself. So the proposed rules has been done by the Department of State. So it is going to add a requirement for the applicants to provide information from a valid, unexpired passport, and also scan the biographic signature pages when submitting the entry. Now remember, the previous years before the 2024, the passport was required, but in 2024, they stopped the requirement of having a passport to be eligible to apply. So the 2024, 2025, and the 2026, you are not required to submit a passport proof before you apply. So if this thing is approved, then it will change everything. According to my own analysis, I think it might become expensive, because to get a passport in most of the countries, when you get a passport, it takes a lot of things, and it costs a lot of money to apply for a passport. And the documents, for example, the photocopies and the passport photos, the application fee, and other associated things will make this process become expensive. And most of the people who do not have the capital are not going to be able to apply. Which brings me to the process of the public. The U.S. Department has encouraged the public to go to the website and give their opinions. You give your comments whether you feel that the introduction of a passport requirement to apply for the green card DV lottery is necessary. So if you feel that it's not necessary, they want to hear your opinion and what makes you feel that it should be introduced or it should not be introduced. Pack up with some concrete evidence and put some weight on your argument, and it will be reviewed. And because this thing is in the public domain, and I'm going to put a link whereby you can go to the website. It's called regulations.gov. I'm going to give you the link below this video so that you can just go there. Once you get there, you will see if they say make a difference when you submit your comments and let your voice be heard. So that's what I'm encouraging you guys. If you feel that the introduction of the passport, it's not going to be necessary or it's not going to help, voice your opinion. So it's going to be on the website. You are going to see the documents and comments. So you click on the comments and then you give your opinion. And then after that, you will have to submit your ideas to the government. They will review the ideas, and then if they are convinced, like a lot of people are against this, and it will help them to make their own decision. That's where we are right now. And what you should know, the proposal is pending, awaiting opinions from the public until September 19. After September 19, the comments will be closed, and then they will review the comments, and then we'll make a decision to find out if the passport is going to be needed or not. Because remember, October is here, it's around the corner, and they are going to announce the dates to start the application, so they have to make a decision before that date comes. That's why it is set for September 19th. And we actually have 10 days. That's 2 weeks left before the deadline. Now, another information I wanted to say is, why do you think they are introducing the passports? So the US government thinks like there's a lot of fraud, a lot of falsifying documents, and a lot of people are applying and wasting a lot of time whereby they don't have genuine documents. So by doing this, the State Department is proposing this rule to combat fraud and improve the integrity of the diversity immigrant visa program. So what do you need to do now, before now and next month? So what you need to do is check the official sources. Make sure you keep an eye on the official US Department of State website. I'm going to put also a link here so that it can help you to jump in right away. So those websites, the US Department of State and the Federal Register for the final rule and instructions for the DV 2027 lottery. Now, recommendation is, if you are in a country and you are able to, from your country, if you are able to get a passport, it's better to have a passport if you can afford it, and it's better to have it sooner than wait until the last minute to start processing, because the processing time varies from country to country. And since we are approaching the start of the TV lottery 2027, I would recommend that time is now. Don't wait. Time is now to go and try to apply for your passport. You will have it, and when that time comes, you start applying. So it would be very good to find that you have a valid passport which is not expired, and it's a very potential requirement to make sure that you do have it at hand. And let me know your opinions, what you think. And for those ones who have been asking me all along, like, is it required? Again, for right now, it's not a requirement, but there's a proposal which is pending, awaiting confirmation on September 19th. And when I get additional information, if anything changes between now and September 19th, I will make another video and let you know, guys. Otherwise, thank you so much. I hope this information was very helpful. Let me know, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe, share. Also, don't forget to turn the notification on. Every time I'm doing a video like this, like I said, you will be definitely notified. More videos coming on immigration news, DV Lottery 2027. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you in the next time. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.